What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make money with the Getresponse affiliate marketing program. So I've been making money with the Getresponse affiliate marketing program for quite some time now, and I make around about $2,000 per month paid into my PayPal every single month, as you can see on the screen here. And what I want to do is show you the exact strategy that I've used to do this, so you could go and make money with this program as well if you've ever thought about making money with the Getresponse affiliate marketing program. And I'm going to show you how to do this with completely free traffic sources. Now, you can do this for any email marketing platform that you want to promote. It could be MailChimp, Drip, ActiveCampaign. I don't know them off the top of my head, but any email marketing program that you want to promote to make a commission from, you can do it using this exact strategy. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in this tutorial. Now, you don't need any big audience to do this. You don't need to have a big email list or anything like that. I'm going to show you how you can do this starting from scratch, from nothing. And if you have any questions, let me know below. I'm here to answer any questions that you have, because I do understand that affiliate marketing and stuff like that can be complicated and a lot of people don't understand how it works. So any questions, let me know below. But before we get into this tutorial, I must give you a bit of a disclaimer. So I'm not promising you results. This is what I've made. I don't know what you're going to make online. I'm simply just showing you what I've done to make money with the Getresponse affiliate marketing program. Okay, so this is what I make. I'm not sure what you're going to make, but if you follow along and you follow this strategy that I've used, then you have a pretty good chance of making some money with affiliate marketing. All right, so before we get into this tutorial, what is Getresponse? If you don't know what Getresponse is, it's an email marketing platform where people can send out emails automatically in their business. But not only that, people can create landing pages, they can create marketing automation, and they can create funnels. So essentially what this is, it's an all-in-one business platform that online businesses can use to grow and scale their business. And we can make money from this. And people essentially pay money every single month to use this program. And we can make a little commission from people actually doing this. So what happens is we can actually sign up as an affiliate to Getresponse, right? And we can get 33% every single month from that person's plan, as long as they stay on using Getresponse, and we get paid a commission every single month for that, right? I have someone on my Getresponse where I make $100 per month just from that one person, and I have some people that I make $4 from, $5, $10, $20, $50. I get lots of different commissions from different people from this platform, but that's exactly how it works. You get a commission from the plans that people sign up to. So you'll get, so this one you'll get 33% of that, 33% of that, or 33% of that, and there's different tiers as well on the pricing. So this is what Getresponse looks like if you've never seen it before. This is the page where people sign up, and these are all the features that people get with the platform. You can see that there's a lot, like you might be using this in your business, I'm not sure. This is more about the affiliate marketing side, but I'll quickly go over this. People essentially use this to grow their business, get more sales, and scale their online business. And if we go down, there's lots of information here. Now, I actually use this myself because it's a great program. It's great for beginners. If you scroll down and you click on this bit here, it says affiliate programs. And it'll take you to a page where it's got all the information of how to sign up as an affiliate, where you would get a commission for promoting this product. So you scroll down here. Now, this is important. There's actually two types of affiliate programs, and I've actually tested both of them. So the first one is called the Affiliate Bounty Program, where you get a one-time commission of $100 every time somebody signs up. If you want to sign up to this, you just click sign up. Now, the thing about this one is it's pretty good. You do make really good commissions, but you only make a one-time fee, okay? So that's it. I'm actually signed up to the 33% one. The reason is because you get 33% every single month as long as that person stays on the program. I've had people who have signed up under me 4, 5, 6 years ago. I still make money from them today. So this one is more of a long-term affiliate structure. This one here is a fast affiliate structure, get money quickly, but you keep needing to put more and more people in there because you only get one payment when the person signs up. I would recommend going for the affiliate recurring program. That's what I use, and that's the best one that I've tested so far. And you just click on sign up. And when you click on sign up, I'm logged in, so it might not work. Oh, here we go. You just put in the information that they ask for, and you simply sign up under their affiliate program. Once they give you, once you log in, you'll come to a page like this, and here's your affiliate link right here. So you click copy. This link is what you're going to be sending your traffic to, okay? So you just click copy and paste this online, and this is where people are going to click and potentially purchase the product under you. And if we scroll down here, or if we go up, we go to statistics, you can click on referred accounts, and it shows me exactly how many accounts I've referred. So the green line is free accounts, so you can give away a free trial. They have a free trial. And the blue line is paid accounts. And I can also go up to here and I can go to earnings, and I can have a look at the earnings that I've got on this program. These are all the monthly payments, and these are the monthly commissions right here. As you see, it gradually goes up over time. This is because it's on the recurring commission, so it grows and grows over time. So how do you actually get traffic to this link? This is the most important part. There's two ways that I do this, so I can actually utilize free traffic methods. The first way is to actually go and start a blog based on specific topics and utilize Google traffic. So for example, this one here is called ClickFunnels versus Getresponse. When people are comparing ClickFunnels to Getresponse, they could potentially come to my website that I've created, and they can scroll down and they can purchase ClickFunnels or Getresponse. I don't actually say what one they should pick because I'm an affiliate for actual both of these programs. But I talk about both of these specific products and give people the information that they need, and then they can make an educated decision on whether they should purchase the product via my link by clicking on the link down here. And then there's another website here that I have. This is my website. My image is on the side here, called 9 Best Getresponse Alternatives. In this particular blog post, I'm actually telling people they should purchase these other programs. Well, I'm giving them alternatives. You might be wondering, why would you be doing that when you're trying to make money on Getresponse? I still have an affiliate link for Getresponse, so I could potentially still make money there. But I also, I'm putting them in soon, I don't have them yet. I'm also going to be putting in affiliate links for these particular programs as well. So I could make money from all of these other programs as well. So it starts to stack up, and you will eventually have quite a lot of affiliate links you have to organize. Just put them all in a spreadsheet with your login details and keep them safe. But if you get like $20 a month, even from all of these, for example, that's 9 of them. That's like $200 right there, nearly, just from these particular programs that people could potentially sign up to. But Getresponse is still my main focus. Now, if you want to go and start a website, it's very simple. I'll leave a tutorial below on how you can actually go and start your own affiliate marketing website. Essentially, all you need to do is go to a place like bluehost.com, for example, and you can go and start a website for $2.75 per month. It's very cheap, and you can control the website, and you can control what to put on the website. You might be asking, how do you actually find the topics to write about? I use a website called answerthepublic.com, and you can put in something like email marketing and go to search. And it actually gives you topic ideas from people who have been looking online for specific questions about a specific topic. So if we go down here, there's all of these things here. How email marketing works. So you could do a tutorial on how email marketing works, and you could recommend Getresponse in that article. How email marketing software works, how email marketing is effective. So you could do something like the 10 most effective ways to increase your email marketing profits. There's really lots of stuff you can do. Why email marketing is so important, why email marketing works. Is email marketing good? Can you make email marketing, you can get a topic off that one. And you can scroll down, there's more. I see, look, so we've got email marketing for restaurants. 10 best tips to make more money from email marketing with your restaurant. You really got to alter these titles, but you can make really, really good articles with these titles. Now, another great way, and a completely free way where you don't need a website, is to actually go and do YouTube content based on the best email marketing softwares. So go and sign up to a lot of email marketing software affiliate programs. All you do is you go to their page and you just scroll to the bottom You scroll to the bottom of every website, so go and find Getresponse competitors and just click on the affiliate program or referral program. They'll have some sort of link at the bottom of their page. And then go and do videos based on the best email marketing platforms, right? Now, if we actually click on this guy's video, he's going to have down here in the description, he's got a list of links. So these are all affiliate links for Aweber, Getresponse, MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, and Drip. He's recommending these 5 email marketing programs, and he could potentially get an affiliate marketing commission when people sign up. These are the best ways to go and get affiliate marketing commissions with Getresponse and other affiliate marketing programs. So if you wanted to make money online with Getresponse, this is the exact way you should be doing it. This is exactly how I'm making my affiliate marketing commissions with Getresponse. Now, if you want some more tutorials on how to make money online with affiliate marketing, I will leave some videos up on the screen that will take you through step by step exactly how to get started with affiliate marketing. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, tap that notification bell. Any questions, let me know below. And I'll see you on one of the videos on the right.